You ready? Are you ready? I'm sorry. I'm sorry I wasn't paying attention to you guys. Just this guitar is so pretty, and it's not even real guitar. It's just, it's electric, and it's a Gibson. Yeah, it's a Gibson. It's a small fake Gibson, but it's a Gibson. I'm so sorry, you guys. I really should have been paying more attention to you. I feel so bad. Wait. After that lovely fail of an intro, I don't really know. I've been watching some of my old vlogs and thinking about how I miss my randomness, and I'm sure you guys miss my randomness because, well, it's random. No, it's all good. I don't feel awkward. You shouldn't feel awkward because, you know, we're friends, and friends don't feel awkward around each other. You know, true friendship is when silence between two people is comfortable. Do you feel comfortable when I do this? Yeah, I guess you're right. Maybe we're not friends. That wasn't really comfortable. That kind of felt awkward. I'm sorry. Didn't want to, make you feel awkward. Maybe I'm lying. Maybe those were my intentions. Maybe I enjoy making you feel awkward. Do you feel awkward yet? How about now? Do you feel awkward now? Do you feel awkward with me staring at you? Staring into your soul. Where'd the dice go? Ah, it's a magic trick. Where'd the dice go? I have no idea. It's gone. It's gone. Bet you're wondering right now where that dice is, aren't you? Bet you're wondering. Where could it? What could it? It's behind your ear. I know. I'm just magic like that. I've got that magic, baby. Look at my hair dads. Girl, I was upstairs for like an hour, and look at my hair dads and what they be doing. They do not know how to behave. Girl, I gotta go get my weave fixed. This is horrible. So I need to stop with the ghetto-ness. I don't live near anywhere ghetto, and I don't really know any ghetto people. You don't make sense. What? Well, that was offensive and hurtful. I'm sorry. I just couldn't handle the way that you were dealing with things. Oh, okay, fine, I'll stop. Good, now I can take over the vlog. Wait, what? No, never mind, you don't matter. Hello, everybody. Well, now that I'm here to take over, I Facebooked some, little poll things, and I asked all you people out there, what you think I should vlog about? These were my responses. How much I miss people. Video games. Humorous interpretation. Charlie Sheen. And of course, that's my personal favorite, because Charlie Sheen and I are real good friends. How good of friends are you? So good of friends that when we're together, we're winning! I am slap happy.
This is your DNA. Yes, your DNA. This is inside of you somewhere. And it makes up all of your important components that make you who you are. And not just who you are, but what you look like.
So don't be offended, that's probably why you're just so ugly.
What am I doing?
And it's gonna be like, POP! Scoom! Do you know what I realized I haven't used in a while? This thing. I'm breaking all my promises!
Yeah, I think I'm gonna end with that. So, this is Humorous Interp Gal 04.
Wishing you a humorous day.